Hi friends, welcome to my channel Pharma Tricks for Exams, and today I came with a very important topic. And it is a very confusing topic also. Topic that is a cannabis. Okay, cannabis. See here, cannabis is different, opium is different, coca leaf are the different. Okay, most of the students they will think that these three terms are same, but no way it is a related. This is a separate plant and this is separate plant and this is separate plant. Okay, but these three plants generally most of the youth are using these plants, okay, as a drugs. They are misusing as a drugs, okay, and they are getting addiction to the cannabis or opium or coca. Okay, yeah, today we will see the cannabis plant in this video. Okay, see here, these parts they might ask in the exam. Definitely it is appeared a number of times. It is appeared in the pharma competitive examinations. Okay, and see here, cannabis plant leaves or flowering shoots, not the flowers. Okay, small stalks are called as a bhang. Okay, this bhang they are using as a drink as just like a lassi. In the Punjab, most of the Sikhs they are using this bhang as widely. They will collect all these plants, okay, all these parts of the plant, and they'll prepare a lassi and they'll start drinking of it. That drink preparation is called as a bhang. So bhang is a drink which is made up of these three parts of the cannabis plant. So here in the colors I have shown here, see color, pink color. One is leaves and second one is a flowering shoot, not the flower is different, flowering shoots, and the third one is a small stalks. Okay, these three parts called as a bhang. Okay, next we will come to the ganja. What is ganja? Ganjai. Okay, this flowering tops are nothing but a flower, fruiting top nothing but a fruits. Okay, flowers and fruits. See here, fourth one is a flower and fifth one is a fruits. These are called as a, these two parts are called as a ganjai. It is widely cultivated in the Pakistan. Okay, widely cultivated in the Pakistan, and they will start exporting to the India. Okay, see here, first part is a bhang, second part is a ganja. Okay, in the exams they might ask what is ganja, and options they will give you as a ganja is a leaves, flowering shoots, small stalks, flowering top. So you have to choose the option flowering tops. Okay, ff you can keep in your mind, f fruits and flowers are nothing but ganja. Okay, next you come to the another part, that is a minerals. The minerals are nothing but the ashes, okay, which are obtained from the plant, entire plant or any part of the plant. They will prepare a ash, that ash called as a minerals. This is called as a siddhi or siddha. Okay, any name, siddhi or siddha. Siddhi, you know siddhi, Unani and all, Unani medicine like that. In that siddhi they are using a minerals. Okay, minerals are nothing but siddhi, ashes. Next is resin. Resins which are obtained from this plant are called as a kharas, cannabis, hemp, hashish oil, liquid hashish. Hashish is a keyword here. Hashish, liquid hashish, and oil is also liquid, we know that. Okay, so oil hashish, H, and here also H. This is this H you have to catch. It is also called as a hemp. In the exam they might ask what is hemp. Hemp is nothing but a cannabis or kharas, or it is a resin. Okay, like that you can keep in your mind, either it is a crude form or in a purified form. All these resins called as a kharas, cannabis, or any name. Okay, siddhi means minerals, ganja, bhang. Okay, next And this above mixture with or without natural materials or drinks made up of is called as a cannabis. Cannabis means any part of this. Generally cannabis means resins. If is there resin, you can choose first option as a resin. If suppose there is no resin and they ask cannabis, any part of this is called as a cannabis. With or without natural materials, drinks or which are the drinks like this, drinks made, any formulation is called as a cannabis. Now you come to the medicinal cannabis. Medicinal cannabis is nothing but extract or tincture. This is also appeared number of times. Okay, tincture or alcoholic extract which is obtained from this plant is called as a medicinal cannabis. See the name medicinal. They will use this preparation, extract and tincture, only for the medicinal purpose. Okay, that's why it is called as a medicinal cannabis. In the exam they might ask what is medicinal cannabis. Medicinal cannabis is a extract. It is not a resin. It is not a mineral. It is not a fruit. Okay, so it is a extract or it is a tincture. Okay, next you come to the biological source. Yeah, biological source of the plant cannabis. It is a cannabis indica. What is biological source? That we know that above mixture with or without natural materials or drinks which are made up of all above parts of the cannabis indica, cannabic ruderalis. See the spelling ruderalis and sativa. Okay, cannabis indica, cannabis ruderalis, cannabis sativa. So in order to keep this, see the indica, India, Dera. Here I wrote a Dera Baba. You know he is a very popular and he is a worst fellow. Now he is in the jail. Supreme Court has ordered him to put him in a jail. Okay, it's a worst fellow. Okay, Dera Baba, Dera, India, a Dera Baba. He is sitting just like a sit, sat, sit. Okay, you know present tense, future tense, past tense like that. Sit, sat, sit. So in the Dera Baba has sit. Here this is a Dera. I wrote the mnemonic also. Okay, just a small symbol to keep the in your memory. And synonym. The synonym, it is also called as marijuana. This is also appeared in the old question paper. Okay, marijuana. It is any part of the plant, extract or drink. See here, extract. Either it is this marijuana is nothing but either it is a medicinal cannabis or cannabis. Okay, extract or drink are called as a marijuana. How to remember this? You know Maricha. In the Ramayana, he will come in the form of a deer. Okay, that is the story of some Ramayana. Here, that name is suitable here. Marijuana, Maricha is a deer in the Ramayana. Okay, and what is you come to the last, and what is the uses of this cannabis? Nausea. It is used to treat the nausea, vomiting. Okay, and also it is used to treat the chronic pain, chronic long-term pain, and also muscle spasms. You will get highly relaxed when you are using. No, you will feel very happy. Cannabis plant make you very happy. You will be in the heaven whenever you are using it. And also this last point also appeared in the question papers. It increases the appetite in HIV or AIDS patients. So in the exam there was a question in the last year, I think so. Okay, which plant increases the appetite in HIV patients? Like that they asked. Here they will give you 4 plants like cannabis, opium, coca, senna. They will give like that. Okay, you have to choose the option cannabis. Okay, and thank you. If you want to see all my videos after subscription of my channel, go to channel page and click on the playlists. Okay, there you can find all my videos in the subject wise. Okay, in the next video we will see about the opium. Thank you very much, and subscribe the channel. Rewind the video if you have any doubts. Thank you. All the best for your exams.